Can you please keep your camera on? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. So, yesterday we have done the revision of the chapter number 4 and 5. Chapter number 4 was related to time, and chapter number 5 was related to the different views of the objects. So I have noticed that few of the children are facing the problem in conversion of time and addition and subtraction of time. So let's revise it. I'm going to present it one video based on the addition and subtraction of time. Please see it properly because I have seen when you have sent me the work in the notebook, I have checked. Many of you face the problem. Dharya, please pay attention the topic which we are going to do now. Because I have checked many of you facing the problem in addition and subtraction of time. So I am going to revise it again with the help of the video. How, and if you want to write, it depends on you. If you want to write the questions in your notebook, please write them along with the video, and I'm going to present it. Pay attention here. After that, I will ask the questions from you all. You all have to tell me the answers. Am I clear to everyone now? Yes. So let's start with
Yes.
the addition and subtraction of time. Please pay attention here. Ayush, please guide me whether it is audible or not.
Subtracting time.
Ma'am, audible.
Thank you. First, we learn about the adding.
Let's try an example.
Children, if you want to write these examples in your notebook, please write.
Ma'am, I don't
First,
want to
we
write
need to
10
add.
Yeah, it depends on the child. If you're facing the difficulty, then please write.
Ma'am, Renu, ma'am. Don't write, then it is okay. Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I, after writing the example, can we do the sum also?
These are the sums only. These are the examples of sums only.
Add these
Write
two
in the
numbers,
notebook.
27 plus 18, because the units match.
See,
Ma'am, everyone has to write, or who has faced difficulty, they only?
you better write everyone because I have checked many of you facing the difficulty in this. So better please write.
Plus 8
Ma'am,
equals
but
52.
It's okay now. I will make it compulsory for everyone if you ask the same thing. So please write it in your notebooks. Megdat and Ayush, please put your mic off.
I have a question.
After this, we will discuss it, Ayush.
Ma'am, then in the chapter we have to write chapter 4 tick tick tick, and it will look like the pending. We are doing the pending work.
No,
pending
you write the revision. You write revision. Revision of addition and subtraction.
We are going to write 5.
See, we first have to write hours in the hour sign. Ayush, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. I can't hear you.
Which child is this? Which child is talking this? That he or she can't hear me?
Ma'am, Anushka.
Ma'am, Prachi ma'am, please guide Anushka. Okay.
Ma'am, now I
So,
can hear you.
thank you. So hours in the hour side and the minutes in the minutes side. Now please pay attention very, very carefully.
Carry over the 1, and then we need to add 1 plus 2 plus 1, which equals 4. So we have 45 minutes. Now we need to add the hours column. 3 plus 2 equals 5 hours. So the answer is 5 hours and 45 minutes.
I'm going to
Let's try another
stop
and
it.
45 minutes.
Please write. When it is simple addition like 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 will go carry over, 5 will come here down, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, 45. This 45 minutes is less than 60, so it's a simple addition sum.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what do we have to do, because I can't join the meeting from 10 last minutes?
So what is there on the screen? Please write. I am revising the addition and subtraction of time. Please write in the notebook.
Oh, ma'am, this is the first term.
This is the first sum. Put revision of addition and subtraction of
Yeah.
time. Put the heading. It's written here adding and subtracting time. Write the number 1. It's a revision of this topic. Please note here, when your minutes column is less than 60, then you can assume that this is the simple addition. You will not face in the simple addition any difficulty. But when the minutes is greater than 60, then you will face difficulty. Then also I will explain you what to do. I hope everyone has done it.
Done.
Okay. For revising it more in a better way, I will send this video in your classroom. You complete the revision in your notebook basis on this. Okay, fine.
Let's try another example. 5 plus 8 equals 13. So we need to write the 3, carry over the 1, and then we need to add 1 plus 2 plus 4, which equals 7.
Now you will
So we
face
have
that when
73
minutes
minutes.
is more, please put your mics off.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry to intervene, but yesterday we had discussed Dhruv Patel will come from another ID,
Okay,
student test
yes.
ID. Please accept him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I was presenting. Prachi, ma'am, please accept. If he
I
is
think
requesting.
you will get it, not Prachi.
Okay.
Whoever is the owner right now, whoever has muting and removing rights will get it. So both of you take a note of this. Jiske paas bhi hai, please ensure that you accept it.
Ma'am,
It
if
will-
I'm presenting the screen, I'll not able to see it.
It will pop up in your this thing. Don't worry.
Fine,
Okay.
ma'am.
Student test ID, something like that. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Carry
you.
on, please.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not connecting.
Now it is coming?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I'm not having rights. You have to accept it.
Okay, I will check it.
Okay, ma'am.
So when you see the minutes column is greater than 60. So what is the next process now?
Now we need to add the hours column. 2 plus 1 equals 3 hours. So we have 3 hours and 73 minutes.
Now what is the next
Keep in
we will
mind that
do?
1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We need to take away 60 minutes from 73 minutes and give it to the hours. That gives us 4 hours and 13 minutes.
Please take a note here. When the minutes are greater than 60, in that case, you subtract the 60 minutes from minutes column and give that, convert it into the hour and give it to the hours column. So this 60 will go into the hours and 1 hour will be added to the hours. So it will be 4 hours, 13 minutes.
Let's try another one. 9 plus 7 equals 16. So we need to write the 6, carry over the 1.
Prachi ma'am, once Dhruv will, if you're able to see it, that the pop-up ID is there, please remind me. I will come back.
Renu ma'am, he's joined. He's joined, ma'am. Carry on.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear children.
ma'am, the number can be 60 minutes of
Yes. Then the complete 60 minutes will go into the hours and nothing will be remaining into the minutes column. So it will be 0, 0.
so how it was done in the screen, we have to do like that only.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it's a logic. It's a complete logic that if you have, can you give me, Rudra, try one example with this?
48 minutes plus 33 minutes.
The both are okay. Only you are adding the minutes. Okay. Now tell me 48 minutes and 33 minutes will be how many hours and how many minutes?
I have to tell hours also.
Okay, you tell me first minutes.
Minutes.
48 plus 33.
Yes. 11. 81 minutes.
81 minutes. And if I will say you give me the answer in hours and minutes, because in your addition column you have two columns, hours also, minutes column also. Okay. Now
I have known the answer.
now if you make 81 minutes into hours and minutes, so how many will be the hours and how many minutes? Like that I will come back.
One
Yes,
hour.
Rudra.
1 hour
21
minutes.
1 hour.
21 minutes.
Very good. So this way we are doing, right? Have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make that. Will you try one example? How to add the hours and minutes? Make that. I'm talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the one child was asking, you have to separate the 60 also and convert it into the hours. Vivan, if there is 60
Ma'am, can I
minutes,
give an example?
yeah, make that try.
I also want to give an example.
Yeah, make that first.
50 minutes
Twisha, switch off.
Plus-
Yes.
50 minutes plus 30 minutes,
Yes.
35 minutes
Okay.
equals to 85 minutes.
Hmm.
So the hour column will be
If I-
1 hour and 25 minutes.
Good. Okay. So let continue it. Then again, I will come back to you.
Ma'am,
Yes, Riddhi.
I have a problem. Like, if there is 35 minutes
Yes.
plus 5 minutes,
Yes.
so the sum will be 40 minutes.
Yes.
So there will be nothing in the R column.
Yes. There will be nothing. So it will be only minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
And then,
Yeah. Tell me.
like this one, like it was 22 hours, 25 minutes plus 1 hour, 48 minutes.
Yeah. Add it and tell me the answer. Let me also write the question.
No,
first.
I had done it like this.
Okay.
So it will be okay.
Let me see. What is your question?
2 hours.
Okay.
2
2 hours,
25 minutes.
25 minutes. Okay. And then
Plus
1 hour. Yes.
1 hour 48 minutes.
So you plus it. 8 plus 5. 13. So this is the question which was given on the screen, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah, that's
if I do like this, it's okay.
Yes, you have to do in this way only.
Oh.
Okay. So let it continue. Then again, I will come back to you with a few more examples.
And then we need to add 1
I
plus
will come
3
back,
plus
Twisha.
4, which equals 8. So we have 86 minutes. Now we need to add the hours column. 5 plus 7 equals 12 hours. So we have 12 hours and 86 minutes.
So now, my question is, will we convert minutes into hours or we will stop here? In this question,
Minute into hours.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we have to convert minute into
so
hours.
now what will be the final answer? Who will tell me what will be the final answer after converting minutes into hours? What will be your addition answer?
Ma'am, it will be 30 and 26 minutes. Ma'am, 30 and 26 minutes.
13 hours. Will you able to do it?
Yes.
Can you tell me the answer which I was showing on the screen?
Ma'am.
Let please give chance to Dhruv also. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, I am not understanding this. You can send the video of this class.
But I was explaining right now. I will
Yes,
send no
ma'am,
worries.
What?
You have done in this. This is the revision you have done in your live classes also before, right?
Ma'am, tomorrow's math class I cannot attend. But
It was not related to the yesterday's class, but it is related with the previous classes, chapter number 4. Okay. Okay, I got many children. If you know the answer, please write in the chat box. Write the answer. Yes, Riddhi.
It will be 13 hours 26 minutes.
Yes. So that's why I'm telling write the answer in the chat box. If you know the answer, write the answer in the chat box. And please, children, don't forget to write the units. If it is the hours, please write the hours. If it is the minutes, please write the minutes also. If you don't write the units along with the numbers, your marks will be deducted.
Ma'am, but in this answer, the time came in 24-hour clock.
Which one? No,
Like
this one.
the answer of this answer, it is 13 hours
Yes.
26 minutes. So,
Yes.
The normal.
Yeah, it is in 24 hours. Right. So
Okay,
you can
so
convert.
So if it came like it converted into 12-hour clock, so we
So what will be the
do
13?
like 1 hour 26 minutes.
1 hour, no, 1. Yes. 1:26. And then you have to use AM and PM also.
Okay.
Okay. So let's continue. I got many of the answers. Thank you, children.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, it can be that 30 plus 30 minutes. So 60 minutes will be the answer. So 60 minutes will be the in that only or the 1
See,
hour.
it depend on the question. If question is asking, write only the minutes, right? So you will write only 60 minutes. If the question is asking, convert these minutes into hours. So depend what they are asking, right? If I say what is the 60 minutes in the hours, so what you will give the answer?
1 hour.
1 hour. And suppose if I tell you that I went to my friend's house, I went there 74 minutes.
Okay.
So should I give the answer like this? Someone कि I went 74.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Nishika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I wanted to ask you that hour is just 60 minutes, so how can it be 86 minutes?
Hours is 60 minutes. That's why we are subtracting the 60 minutes from the minutes and converting them into the hours. Right?
No, not I'm asking that. You have written 39 plus 47, so the answer is 86. But I'm
Yes.
asking in 1 hour and plus 60 minutes. So how can that be 86 minutes?
We can't go beyond 60 minutes. It is not compulsory that we stick with the 60 minutes only. If the minutes extended to after 60 minutes, so it is converting, right? It is extending. It is not compulsory that we stick with the 60 minutes, but we know the rule that 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Am I clear now, Deepika?
Ma'am, I have a question. Yes. Ma'am, I had a question.
Yes, Kevna.
Ma'am, that I don't know that if we plus that minute and it exactly at 60, what should we do? Should we not minus by 60, or should we minus?
See, it depend on the question. If you have hours column also in that, right? in that case, you subtract 60 and convert the 1 hour into the hours.
Okay.
If you have only minutes and you don't have hours in that, so you write the answer in the minutes, and it is good that you write the answer in both hours also and minutes also. Then your answer will not be wrong.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But you should know that if it is only 60, that when you converting them into the hours, it will convert into 1 hour. So your answer will be only 1 hour, nothing in the minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you write in the minutes only, then your answer will be 60 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So let it continue.
Something.
Yes, tell me, Ayansh.
Ma'am, in the exam, I write just H and M. It is okay? Or full
You write
spelling?
what?
In exam, when I have exam of this, we have to just write H or M or full spelling HR.
Yes. You have to write minutes, MIN, sorry. For minutes, MIN, and the short form of hours is HRS.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, like if the question came above 60 minutes, so what will we do?
About 60 minutes, that is what we are doing now. That we are
No,
subtracting the
if
60 from the minute.
It
And
will come 5 hours 61 minutes plus 7 hours 1 minute. So
plus it and tell me the answer.
it will come 60. It will come 12 hours 62 minutes.
Yeah. So now it is 12 hours 62 minutes, right? Now you convert these 62 minutes into the hours.
It will be 13 hours 2 minutes.
Yes.
Like this we will do in that
All
question.
the, yes.
Oh.
When you are adding and subtracting the minutes, then you have to convert and then you have to do. Am I clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, let it continue now.
86 exceeds 60 minutes, so we need to regroup these 86 minutes into 1 hour and 26 minutes. We take away 60 minutes from 86 minutes and give it to the hours. Now we have 13 hours and 26 minutes. Subtracting. Let's try an example. The numbers on the top are bigger than the numbers on the bottom. Because of that, we can subtract 23 from 48 normally.
See, when when you are subtracting from bigger number, the smaller number, it will be easy for you to easily subtract it.
8 minus 3 gives us 5, and 4 minus 2 gives us 2. So we have 25 minutes. We are going to do the same thing for the hours. 6 minus 2 equals 4 hours. So the answer is 4 hours and 25 minutes. Let's try another example. Take a look at the minutes. We can see that the number of minutes at the top is smaller than the number at the bottom.
Now, please pay attention here. I will discuss the later on. Please pay attention here.
So we have to borrow an hour to make this number bigger. We cross out 40.
Yes, Ayush. Yes, Ayush, you want to tell something?
I didn't write the phone.
I will send this video in the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
14 hours and make it 13 hours. Instead of carrying 1 hour,
Now see here. When 23 minus 47 is not possible, we will not see 3 minus 7. We will not consider it as a normal subtraction, because we are seeing here that 23 is smaller number than the 47. So now we take complete 1 hour from this hours column and make plus it over here. Please pay attention. This is very, very
we
important.
carry 60 minutes because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour.
Because when we borrow from hours to minutes, we take the complete 1 hour. We will not take one number. we will take the complete 1 hour. And when 1 hour go to the minutes column, it will give you the 60 minutes. Now, 60 minutes which you have borrowed from the hours plus 3 minutes which you were already having. Now it is 60 plus 20 is 83 minutes. Now you can easily subtract from 83, 47 you can easily subtract it. You can see please
60
here.
plus 23 becomes 83 minutes. Now we can subtract 47 from 83. It is 36 minutes. 13 hours minus 9 hours equals 4 hours. So the answer is 4 hours and 36 minutes. Let's try another example. Take a look at the minutes. Because 33 is smaller than 45, and we can't subtract 45 from 33, we need to borrow an hour. We had 9 hours, and now we have 8 hours. Instead of carrying 1 hour, we carry 60 minutes, because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 plus 33 becomes 93 minutes. Now we can subtract 45 from 93. It is 48 minutes. 8 hours minus 2 hours is 6 hours. So the answer is 6 hours and 48 minutes. If this video was helpful, please leave a like.
So I
Ma'am,
hope
can
you understood.
Ma'am, can you do some back? I want to see everything.
My dear, I will send this video on your classroom also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I will see from there.
Yeah. So please,
understand the subtraction.
yeah. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Jishna.
Okay. See, Jishna, I'm again going to present it. Jishna, when you have a smaller number, yes, Prisha, you have done, no? Rahel, please. So, when you have a smaller number in minutes column, right? And the bigger number down, smaller number up. So you will not able to subtract it. So don't take it as a simple subtraction. You first have to borrow the 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. And 60 minutes plus the minutes which you already having, add them and then subtract it in the normal way. I'm again going to show you. Please check it out.
Ma'am, it is the same video only.
It is the same?
Video.
Yeah, same video, same video.
Now we can subtract
See,
47 from 83.
60 plus 23 is
36
83.
minutes.
Now,
Let's try an example. Hours and 36 minutes.
3 minus 7 is not possible. So now we take 1 from 8. So it will become 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. And this 7 minus 4 is 3. Because 8 will become 7, no? When we'll give 1 minute to this 3. And 3 will become the 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 8 minus 4, 8 will not be because 8 has given. So it will become 7 minus 4 is 3. Now this has given 1 hour complete to this minutes. So it will become 13 hours. So now 13 minus 9 is 4. I hope you all understood now. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's do the activity as I told you to bring the newspapers in the class. This activity is related with the chapter which we are doing. Fractions, halves and quarters. Everyone hold the page. Why we are doing this activity?
Ma'am, I want to. Ma'am, in exam, it will come in this also.
This chapter is not coming in exam. Now I think everyone is having the newspaper like me. I also having. Yes. So this newspaper is called the complete whole newspaper. Yes. For some children, this is the complete whole, and for some children, those who have cut it already and made it into the fold, for them this is the whole. Depend on the newspaper which you have. Now fold it into two from the middle. So each part is what? Each part is what if we write it into the fraction. If I say what is the fraction of each part?
Half.
What is the fraction of
1 by
each
2.
part? 1 upon
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. So what is the fraction of each part? 1 upon 2.
2.
And again,
1 upon 2.
again if you fold it into 4 parts,
Yes.
then each part will be
1/4. 1/4. Quarter.
1/4. Yes, so each
1 upon
part
4.
will be 1 upon 4. Then again we will fold it into the 8 parts. So
1
each
upon 8.
part will be
1 upon 8. It will
1
be
upon
1 upon 8.
Now, can you please, after folding it, please do the newspapers in. Now start cutting it and give me the half of your, show me the half of your newspaper.
Ma'am, see this. Means, ma'am, now we have the lines, so we have to cut that lines into the paper.
Yes, you can cut with the lines also. So, please show me the half of your newspaper.
Ma'am,
And half. Yes, Trisha, you are not visible. Trisha, your mic, your camera is off.
Ma'am, it's the half. My camera is on. Ma'am, it's the half.
Let me see, wait.
Riddhi.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
are you-
children, please show me the half of your newspaper.
Ma'am, I have of my newspaper.
Okay,
Ma'am,
now,
are you sure?
now this, now, yes, I, yes. Now, suppose this is your whole, this half is your whole, right?
Yes.
Now, make 1/4 of this whole. Now, your whole is this. Now, make 1/4 of this whole.
Okay.
We have to make 1/4.
Yes.
Okay.
Make 1/4, cut it, and show me the 1/4 part.
And like this?
And
Yes. Yes. Show me the 1/4. Cut the 1/4.
Ma'am, it's the 1/4.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now show me the 1/4 part.
Ma'am, we have to fold it 2 times, no?
Yes.
The 1/4.
Show me the 1/4.
Ma'am, it's my
Please switch off your mic. Your mics are on.
Ma'am, this is my 1/4 page. This is my 1/4.
Ma'am, I am not here.
Ma'am, this is the 1/4.
Please show me. No need to switch off on your mic.
Ma'am, I not have.
I'm on board.
Please show me the. This is the 1/4. Yes. Now this part. Assume that this is your whole, right? Now this is your whole. Suppose you have this much paper. Please switch off your mic, children. It disturbs me a lot. Now no one will switch on their mics without permission. Now assume that this is your whole newspaper. Make the equal 8 parts. 8 parts of this. This is your whole. Now children, start doing. Start doing. I'm saying now this is your whole. This is your complete. Out of this whole, make the total 8 parts of this. Equal 8 parts, not unequal. Equal 8 parts. How you will do? Please show me how you will fold your newspaper. Fold it into half first. Fold it into half first. 1/2 and 1/2. Yes, each part is 1/2. Now fold it into the 1/4. Yes, equally. Dhruv, your cutting is not equal. Now, each part is 1/4. I have divided into the 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4. Now from 1/4 divided into, yes, Prisha, you are showing me this is half. Prisha, this is half. Yes or no?
No, ma'am, this is 1/8.
1/8. Show me 1/8 of how much, how long paper you have taken. Okay, this is 1/8 of your, okay. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes.
8. I 8.
ma'am, see.
Yes, I can see the 1/8.
Ma'am, 1/8.
Ma'am, Ayush.
Yes, yes. Yes, Ayush, I can. Yes, yes, man.
Ma'am, Ayush Singh.
Ma'am, this is my 1/8. Ma'am,
Yes, show me the 1/8. Yes, Priya, very good. Show me the
Mama,
1/8.
this is my 1/8. Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write the exam in Google form
Yes,
or
now you
the
can do the one.
Ma'am, you can send today's class video.
Yes, yes. I will send the addition and subtraction revision video only, not today's live.
Ma'am, this is the 1/8
This is the 1/8.
and this is the 1/4.
Okay, show me, open it and show me from the beginning. From the
Ma'am, this
beginning.
is my 1/16.
Now fold it into half, Riddhi.
Ma'am, this is my
Fold
1/16.
it into 1/4.
Ma'am, see, now I can
Fold it into 1/8.
Ma'am, now I can leave.
Yes. Yes, yes. True.
Ma'am, can you see mine? This is 1/16.
1/16. Okay, so you have taken the big size, right? 1/16 of your size. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to cut the 1/8.
No, no. I'm just telling you how to fold and how to see the parts. And if you want to cut
Ma'am.
it, you can cut it also after the class. Okay.
Ma'am,
So children, today we have, Laksh, I'll come back to you. Today we have learned the revision of addition and subtraction with time, and we have learned about the fractions. Thank you for today's class.